Hi, I'm Richard Petrie. I'm the CTO at LINX. We as an engineering team like to build into the ecosystem redundancy and resilience. So one of the other areas that we're investing in is the root server. So many members will utilize the root server functionality to enable them to peer and share prefixes with each other. LINX is at the forefront of driving diversity in the root server. So BIRD has been a main player in the root server ecosystem for many years. It's trusted by many IXs across Europe, across the world. LINX has been testing and working with the Root Server Support Foundation on deploying OpenBGPD, and we will be deploying that across both of our London networks in LON2 and LON1, so that we can offer both the BIRD and the OpenBGPD root server functionality as a resilient pair.